Isn't this beautiful? If you want to be in this spectacular winter wonderland, keep watching my video to know more how you can be here. Hello everyone, my name is Reshma Mathur and I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant based in Ottawa, Canada. And I have no tie-ups with any agent in any part of the world. Last year, someone notified me about a website where someone was posing as my business partner and had my name and other details on their website. It was a scam, and I have reported the matter to ICCRC and the authorities here in Canada. If you would like to take my help in any Canadian immigration matter, please contact me directly by phone, email, or you can visit our website at royalvistaimmigration.com. So are you confused after Joe Biden's victory? Have you been thinking US is now a welcoming country and will soon have new immigration policies to attract skilled immigrants and students? It's a long, bumpy road, and it'll be difficult for a bill to become law. Biden's victory and his immigration reform plans and policies, a sweeping immigration legislation unveiled just yesterday, that is 18 February 2021, called the US Citizenship Act of 2021, may have changed your perception. But the fact remains that the US is absolutely divided on the issue of immigration. Without using his executive powers, Biden may not be able to succeed in implementing any reforms or change the restrictive policies. Also, presently there are per country limits, due to which an employment-based green card applicant, for example from India, can possibly wait decades before gaining permanent residence. The message is clear. Canada welcomes and values individuals coming to Canada from around the world and has one of the most open immigration system with more than 100 different immigration pathways. Interest in Canada is skyrocketing, and Canada also wants bright and skilled immigrants. One of the options to come to Canada is through the study permit pathway. You can study as an international student at one of Canada's excellent universities. And coming to Canada as an international student has many advantages. It gives you a safe, supportive, and inclusive environment and plenty of opportunities to settle successfully in Canada. And also to decide during that time that you're spending here as a student to see how you like this country, if it'll be the right move to live here permanently. See the weather, work environment, integrating into communities, lifestyle and culture. Students can learn a lot from their experiences during their study term here. Apart from good quality of education and low tuition fees, top international rankings, Canada is known for being multicultural, also has affordable medical insurance for students, and some provinces and territories even offer coverage to international students. Unlike other countries, Canada allows international students to work part-time during their studies so that they can earn while they learn and support themselves financially. In United States, students can only work part-time on-campus jobs, and there is no certainty that they'll be able to work or settle in the United States. If you look at the long-term plan, then many international students want to stay in Canada after they graduate. And Canada has a lot of programs designed to encourage international students to transition to permanent residence after their studies. International students can apply for work permits through the post-graduation work permit program. A work permit issued under this program can be for up to the length of the program of study, which can be for up to a maximum of 3 years. And this combination of having Canadian education, work experience, professional and social networks, altogether it results in a quicker labor market integration and also higher wages in the long term, and gets you points for Canadian work and study experience in the express entry system. Most Canadian provinces have provincial nominee streams for applicants who have either completed a study program or if they have work experience in that province. The record-breaking, unbelievable, insane express entry draw held recently on 13 February in the Canadian Experience Class category was the first ever draw to take place on a Saturday since the system was launched in 2015. 27,332 invitations to apply ITAs were issued to candidates with a comprehensive ranking system CRS score of as low as 75 only. In a historic express entry draw, the CEC candidates who were already in Canada, who did not have to face the hurdles of travel restrictions and they were already sort of established here, they were rewarded for their contribution towards our economy. The immigration minister had already given a hint 3 months back when he mentioned about domestic immigration. The focus was on temporary foreign workers already within the border in Canada, those who are already contributing towards the economy. Canada has to meet the target of welcoming 401,000 permanent residents this year, and this move might have seemed unfair to many people, but to prosper and recover during this pandemic, immigration is the best option for Canada. Congratulations if you have received an ITA. Contact me if you need help. If you have received an ITA, please check your documents like your credential assessment report, expiry dates for other documents, and your passport, reference letters, police clearance certificates. And if you are one of those who are inside or outside Canada now thinking about creating your profile, still have to take the language test and get your credentials assessed, please do it. Start working on your profile. Many prospective candidates are already making the smart move and getting ready to make their profile even with low scores. So there'll be many applicants in the pool. Today, I would like to emphasize again that if you are not in Canada and waiting to create your profile, with the right move at the right time, you can take advantage of any such future draws and tiebreakers, though there is no guarantee if history will repeat itself. But if you don't take action and keep thinking, then you will lose the opportunity. Scores could go lower and eligibility criteria could be relaxed to meet the immigration targets. So guys, get moving to grab the next opportunity. After creating your profile, work on improving your score, as age is also an important factor here. So take action now. Canada is the best choice. Study or settle in Canada. Right time is now. Get your assessment done. If you need help with admission and study permit or want to explore other options, contact me by phone, email, or visit our website at royalvistaimmigration.com.